It's the evening of November 23, and I should probably go over what we've been working on as another project. We call this the Wing Patio, and we've excavated a few dump trucks full of material, and we will eventually have a stone patio down below. This white pipe that we have right here, I use PVC to help me identify the general shape of what we want our outside wall to look like. I've probably built anywhere from 700 to 900 feet of retaining walls already. So this is the main 6-inch drain that comes out of, this is the back part of the house. This is the 6-inch drain, and the white pipe that you see here horizontal, that is a supply line, 1 1/4 inch supply line that supplies water to all the trees that are down in this part of our yard. So since this is going to be stone on top of 4 inches of concrete, on top of 4 inches of base rock, if we have a major earthquake, when we have a major earthquake, we run a high risk of this PVC pipe fracturing under the ground, and there would be no way to repair it. So I have just finished replacing, actually this piece isn't soldered in yet, but this is 1.5 inch type L copper, and that has been put in. Boy, this is a challenge actually getting back here when you're trying to film at the same time. So there's actually, if you notice, this goes back into the ground. We've already filled this piece in. Underneath the piece of plywood, there is the junction between copper and PVC. So I wanted to make sure that wasn't covered until I've actually done a pressure test. So we also have a house drain. Actually, not this one. There's actually one level deeper yet that we don't see anymore. Beneath this box, actually right in this area, there is another piece of 4-inch pipe that comes down and runs down through here and then makes a corner and goes to another junction in here. And I'm doing that because normally you're supposed to daylight out here, but when I did this in 2004, I actually connected into this line, but I've actually done a little separation because there is, since this is going from a 4-inch into a 6-inch pipe, there's a 1 inch fall. You know, there's a 1 inch, I guess you could say, waterfall that's inside. The idea is you never want your drain water to infiltrate back into the house. So like I said, there's one other layer of pipe below here. That's what the guys spent most of the day doing, is just getting this pipe in place while I was adding the 6-inch copper. That's my 60 feet of, actually it's 63 feet of copper replacement. So that part's done. Tomorrow this will all be buried, and they're gonna start forming. These won't be poking up out of the ground anymore. We should actually start to see what the wall is going to look like tomorrow.